Thank you for tuning in to another edition of the Vulcan Report with yours truly, the Algo Capitalist. Today is Wednesday, May the 16th, 2018. Starting with the Dow Futures contract. Today we did get triggered long in the stock indexes, the NASDAQ, the Dow, and S&P 500. And excuse me, as you can see here, looking at the weekly chart, the market has entered into the overbought zone, came off that overbought zone, and right now the momentum is neutral, to say the least, but it would appear as if the market is preparing for another power up. If you look right here at the daily chart, how the market is positive, the momentum. Same thing here on the weekly chart. We got positive momentum, and the market is set to possibly have one more leg up breakout to the upside to test upward resistance of around 25,000. All right, so the chart is looking very interesting at this point in time. So we shall see what the market will do. I do believe that the price inflection point will come probably in the early hours in the morning, somewhere around there, but we should get closer to testing that 25,000 before it's all said and done. Looking at the NASDAQ 100, all right, the market is locked in on this bullish momentum push, and it looks like the market is going to try to test the 7,000 mark one more time. Bullish momentum here in the daily, bullish here on the weekly, and the market is locked in on this current path. We shall see how much further we can get out of it, but right now, holding longs with nice quality stops in place. So that's what we got there. I'm looking at the S&P 500, which follows mostly like the Dow. You can see same similar chart. Same here in the daily, almost identical. All right, taking a look at crude oil. Crude oil got into that almost $72 range. Just got short, shy of it just by a few pennies, but the market is still marching. I think we may get 75 out of here before we see any kind of significant pullback. Let's see how far it can go. All right, looking at the US dollar index. All right, it continues to strengthen here, just as anticipated. Looks like it's hitting its head at the bottom of the Kumo cloud, just as anticipated. Market is locked in on this bullish cycle run. Let's see how much more it can get out of it. Will it push into the Kumo cloud? We shall see, but right now, it's long. The trade is on the long side. Bulls are in control of the market. All right, the UUP equity part of it. Bulls are in control of the market. Look at the UDN, which is the inverse ETF of the UUP. You can see it's hitting new lows, getting deeper into the Kumo cloud. So I think the bull is on for some time here. It's going to be like this. Natural gas creeping up a little bit higher, flirting with that $2.86 overhead resistance zone that we've been talking about. Here you can see it. It's looking like it wants to try to push through it. This is getting interesting. We shall see if it can do it. Looking at gold. Gold really disappointed, falling below 1,300. You can see it's like in free fall, falling off of a cliff. It moved beyond the longer-term trend line support, which is pretty nasty. For all intents and purposes, you are at the beginning, the first stage of a bear cycle pulse wave. All right, so let's say that it ends here. All right, that is the first bar of a bear cycle pulse wave, and we could see acceleration deeper into the cloud. getting deeper into the 1200s, 1270, even 1250 is possible at this point. Unfortunately, bears are in control of this market, and the bull run seems to be over. Looking at silver. All right. Silver also is showing a similar situation here. As you can see, this is the third bar end, so we have a bearish pulse wave here, and we are in a downtrend channel. It looks like we could start to see acceleration to the downside in the silver as momentum is dropping. So this one is looking like it could get nasty as well. Not as weak looking as gold, because it's still within the longer term trading range. Technically speaking, price today is the same as it was on the week of February the 5th of 2018. So in all intents purposes, we haven't really gone anywhere in 3 months. So, but it's starting to head down toward the lower end of the range again. So, and momentum is pointing down on silver. So there you have it. That's what's going on, folks. Oh, we didn't look at Bitcoin. Let me pull up the Bitcoin for you. Can't believe I forgot that one. Let's pull that up. All right. Here is the Bitcoin futures heading into new lows here on the daily chart. Getting deeper into that Kumo cloud on the weekly chart. Also starting to turn down. Momentum turning down. Let me just pull up the daily chart so you can see what I'm talking about here. All right, so as you can see, market is just headed down lower. Downtrend cycle still there. Here's that downtrend channel. Markets looks like it's setting up for that next leg down. All right, that's what we're seeing here. So bearish, looks like it's about to fall off the cliff and drop below the Kumo cloud on the daily chart. So the shorts are still in control of this market. I don't think the selling is over yet. And there you have it. Losing momentum, and looks like it's about to fall. And it looks like we're going to hit that 778 handle here in the Bitcoin futures. All right, with that being said, if you want to have the opportunity to put yourself on the winning side of the market, come to pulsewavetrading.com. Get these rally and crash alerts delivered to your inbox immediately. Get live updates in the trading room and stay one step ahead of the algos in this market. Put the artificial intelligence in your corner. pulsewavetrading.com. And remember, bulls make money, bears make money, and pigs get slaughtered. So remember to take what you can and give nothing back. Peace.